Hello, my name is Ameya. I am an educator and an online course creator with a thriving community of more than 20,000 students across 160 countries. In this course, you will learn pivot tables and apply the knowledge to solve real life problems. Let's talk about the structure of the class. I have tried to keep the flow as logical and straightforward as possible. We begin with simple problems and examples working simultaneously on the data. After every session, you will be able to put every technique to use instantly. Who is the ideal student? The course is ideal for anyone who is handling some kind of data. In addition, you can use pivot tables to analyze almost any data you can get your hands on. So if you are into marketing, sales, science, business, customer service, HR, finance, accounting, logistics, this tool will definitely help you. Any other requirements? There are no specific requirements. The structure is very straightforward and simple. Even with the basic knowledge of Excel, you will quickly master the various techniques. What are the benefits of pivot table? A pivot table is a great way to organize and analyze data. It enables you to see relationships between different pieces of data quickly and easily. With various dashboards, you can easily find patterns and trends which give you additional insights into the data. With the fast-pacing demands of the modern world, a pivot table can be an excellent tool for quick and accurate decision making. Class project. All editable Excel sheets are uploaded in the project section. Download the sheet, begin the lesson, and start working on the data simultaneously. Following along with the class, you will complete each of these activities. Understanding in-depth mechanics of the pivot table. Find sales pattern and sales trends. Analyze stock market data quickly to take decisions using pivot table. Organize and analyze vast data of a supermarket store to draw conclusions. Prepare amazing dashboards, prepare cash flow statements, and many more. Let's get started. See you inside the course.